This is the ASSA 6000 with gins, round 2. First time I picked it, didn't do a great job gutting it, and I do intend to use this as one of my videos for an LPU Black Belt. So I'm going to redo this video, hopefully do a better job gutting it. Here's the key. Key works. Probably won't provide too much commentary during this pick. I just want to get this well documented. I'm going to start by getting the top pins set into their countermilling. Okay, hopefully good there. And go at the side pins. Okay, got the cord to move, so sidebar should be set. Actually, I'm just gonna double, triple check in case there's any more movement I can get out of the sidebar. I just have this weird feeling that when I pick that sidebar, sometimes it doesn't fully sink in, so I've been using that strategy to hopefully let it sink in as far as it can. Okay, I'm going to set the gins now. Looking for pin 4 to use as a frame of reference, going at pin 5. Okay, I think I just set it. I'll set pin 6. Trying to get under it. It's easy to slip off these pins, especially when you're bouncing on them. Okay. I think it's set. I'm going to set pin 3. Find pin 4 to use as a frame of reference. Okay, I think that's pin 4. Getting under pin 3. Try to get squarely under it so I don't slip off. Okay. That should be pin 3 set, unless that was me slipping off, but no, it feels set. So I'm going to set pin 4 now. Okay, pin 4 set. Just leaves 2 and 1. Let's go to the front. Get squarely under pin 2. Feel my pick slipping off. Okay, pin 2 set. I think we just have pin 1. I think that was me just slipping off of it. Oh, well, pin 1 is set. Don't have the open yet. I was expecting it, so something's holding us up. Pin 1, 2, let's see, 3 set. Probably something in the back. Okay, I think it's pin 6 that fell down. Try to set it without dropping anything else. Double check pin 5. Pin 4. I think it's still pin 6. Hands cramping. Good chance I'm going to drop the front pins. Got it. Okay. Going to zoom out a little bit. Actually, yeah, no, that'll work. Let me just show. Actually, let me take it out of the vise since I'm limited on rotation with it in the vise. Okay. I think we can see that that is picked. Gonna lock it back up. Just going to, let's see. Okay. Screwdriver. Key. Follower. I am going to show the gins first, because that's the thing that is most likely to get screwed up during the gutting, so I might as well start with that in case I need to redo this video. Let's see, best way to do this. Let's get closer. And I'm going to turn on my light on the camera. And let's try to gut this without it being a disaster. So let's see. Let's get pin 1. We can see that that's the gin in the right orientation. There's a little better shot of it. Get that guy out. Okay, same thing for gin number 2. Ooh, that almost got away. Okay, gin number 3. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another follower because the backside of this follower doesn't have this nice notch. I'm going to try to swap followers so I can go from the back and do the same thing starting from pin 6. So let's see, let's make sure that is oriented correctly. Same thing with this guy. Careful. Okay, I think we're golden. All right. Gin number 6 coming up. Gin number 5. Whatever. Okay, gin number 4. Okay, I think I can zoom back out a little bit. I dump the springs next. Come on. Let's see. Keep everything on screen. There's always one spring that is shy and doesn't want to come out. So let's grab that. Where are you? It's number 2. If I'm being overly cautious in this video, it's because White from LPU has got me paranoid. He said, black belt videos need to be perfect. And I understand that. You know, if you're claiming to pick black belt locks, you need to make sure that you show proper evidence of that. there should be no question. So I'm doing my best. Now let's just, I'll pop it out from the top, that'll work. Okay, let's just do a, oh wow, that plug is really close to going off screen. Okay. All right, time to get into the plug. Now, I'm going to need to use my hand as a backstop for focus. Sidebar. See the springs are in there for the sidebar. This one's going to be tricky to get to. Okay, let's take a look at key pins. I think you can see that the pointy side is down, but we'll go ahead and remove those one by one so we can see that. Actually, we can pull the key out. Okay, come on, key. All right, carefully going to release though. I see one guy that is just waiting to spring out. There it goes. Okay, those sidebar pins. All right, let's dump the key pins. There's one. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get these oriented right. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Let's get the sidebar pins out. Spring just flew off. The springs like to stick to those side pins. Okay, let's take a closer look at the plug. There's where the sidebar goes. Sidebar pins go there. And key pins. You'll see chamber number 4 doesn't have the countermilling. So I understand it'll either be chamber number 4 or chamber number 3 that is like that. I don't know how accurate that is, but that's what I've been told. But all of the other ones have the countermilling. There's chamber 4, which doesn't. 5 and 6. And let's set that down. And let's do a close-up. Okay, I think that's about as detailed a gut as I could possibly do, and hopefully that is up to snuff for the requirements of the LPU community. But again, I appreciate their standards for this. You know, if you're making extraordinary claims, you need extraordinary evidence. So hopefully I provided that in this pick and gut. And if you watch this, I'm sorry, it was probably really boring, but I'm going to use this for an eventual black belt request. So hope you liked it anyway, and look forward to the next video where I do a deep dive on this lock and everything I learned. Take care.